Welcome to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates. The execution of the people who saw Korean flares Kim Jong-un's sister Mr. Kim Il-sung, the opposition's activity has started. A source living in the Hamgyong-buk-do told the Daily NK in South Korea. Among the social security department's executives in the provinces, including the Cheongjin city, South Korea was targeted at the beginning of this month. Lectures on the dangers of the enemy missions from the Korea was given, in which the threats were transformed by the enemy missions, and the admiration for South Korea was bluntly expressed, and an execute plan was executed was mentioned. The enemy missions here is thought to be flyers blamed by the Kim Jong-un regimes, which is being sent to the north by South Korean defectors groups, or a type of a memory card on which similar content is recorded. North Korea has recently blamed the North Korea defector groups that have occupied flyers and the South Korean government that has allowed them. On the 9th, and countermeasures it cut off all communications lines with South Korea, including the hotline of the Korean Labour Party headquarters and the Blue House Korean presidential offices. It was the executive talks announced on the 4th by Kim Yoo-jong, the first deputy director of the Korean Labour Party. Chairman Kim Yoo-jong, who started the offensive against the South. In response to this discourse, the Labour newspapers of the party newspaper said on the 7th that the prosecutor Kim Myong-gil will exercise the protesters who attacked my highest dignity. Mr. Kim Jong-un ruthlessly posted. In addition, the Korea Central News Agency said yesterday that Mr. Tadashi Kim has instructed that he should thoroughly convert his businesses towards the south to enemy activities. The victim of the executions mentioned at the beginning is not a North Korea defector, but a man who lives in North Korea. However, in recent years, secret police in North Korea have been carrying out various operations on North Korea defectors, and there is even information that a woman who had been active in Korea was detained and abducted with a full body cast. The purposes of Mr. Kim Jong-un, who hardened a beautiful talent with a full body cast and took him away. Welcome to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates.